We're setting a new standard for family cars. Onvo L60 embodies the future's benchmark. Our F2 factory is highly AI intelligent. In 2 years, AI will make 80% of decisions. It marks the shift from automation to AI in auto manufacturing. Each Onvo L60, before and after delivery, undergoes 5,000 plus strict AI checks, surpassing industry norms. As of August 11th, last Sunday, our total test mileage exceeded 6.77 million kilometers. Onvo L60, born mature, future standard. Onvo products are always premium. This car redefines the industry for mainstream family users. High potential, great foundation. I think our car is truly for the mainstream family market. We've made a car that's changing the industry landscape, great potential, excellent DNA.
The potential is sky high thanks to its excellent foundation. Today's first car is just the beginning. We hope and look forward to the millionth, even 10 millionth L60. Let's power up together.
So along with this video, Onvo also released some excellent promo materials showing how they're going to produce millions of cars at this factory. So first of all, here it is. Based on NIO's all-around manufacturing and quality system, Onvo automobile is born and mature. The Onvo L60 will be built at factory number 2, and there are actually over 3,592,320 personalized configuration combinations. This is all thanks to Tango Intelligent Manufacturing Management System, which is sort of like the smart brains of NIO. Through advanced intelligent manufacturing technology and manufacturing platform, achieve comprehensive coordination of various subsystems of large-scale, high-quality, high-efficiency, and high-personalized automobile production. The scope of control covers the whole production process and is refined to the workstation. So you got these little robots carrying the car around to different stations for installing like the center console, installing seats, etc. And there's so many different combinations. So even for this cheap car, you can have a very highly personalized car. All right, so very amazing. Next up, we got more about how the L60 was born from zero. Visit the Intelligent Manufacturing Workshop to find out. So first up is the stamping workshop. Total area of workshop is 41,760 square meters. The starting point of the vehicle manufacturing is to stamp the high strength plate into Onvo L60. 4-door, 2 cover side, circumference, top cover, front and rear floor. They're both all born here. Industry leading, fully automated, high-speed, flexible stamping line. 5-sequence, 6,900 tons of automatic steel and aluminum mixed stamping line with 7-axis fully flexible single-arm manipulator. Realize the industry's leading 15 production beats per minute. So they can produce 15 cars per minute. And innovatively develop and produce the whole series of steel and aluminum classification and recycling system to become the industry's leading green environmental production workshop. So they can stamp out 15 cars per minute. That's pretty fast. Fully transparent and intelligent production management team. Tango Intelligent Manufacturing Management System through MOP, Manufacturing Operation Platform, comprehensive coordination of sub-intelligent systems such as LES, Logistics Execution System, and Q-Plant, Quality Management System. To solve the pain point of traditional car company stamping workshop manufacturing information black box, the production of the workshop is 100% transparent. The whole process of traceability and error prevention production cost is reduced by 10%, and the production efficiency is increased by 10%. So wow, absolutely. They got AI monitoring AI, and then they got humans to monitor, do quality control, which is absolutely amazing. Next is body workshop. Total workshop area 84,960 square meters. The second process of vehicle manufacturing has 941 robots to achieve 100% automation rate of the connection process. Onvo L60 completes the welding, connection, and assembly of the body here to form a complete white body. High precision, intelligent four-door assembly, tacit understanding, and dexterity. 16 robotic arms are in full, and it only takes 98 seconds to install the 4 doors of Onvo L60. Material distribution to visual capture, assembly adjustment to result measurement, automatic unintervention throughout the whole process. The industry's first door assembly X, Y, and Z, 3 directions adaptive adjustment, high and stable 4-door gap surface difference, matching, and accuracy far exceeds the manual compatibility of Onvo and NIO's flexible mixed line production of many models. Aluminum mixed Mulberry external assembly station. The error accuracy is thinner than that of a hair. Meet the flexible switching of multiple models with high manufacturing efficiency. The error accuracy can reach 0.05 millimeters that cannot be recognized visually. Real-time monitoring of the status of the total assembly, recording the position deviation, and automatic alarm. So there's going to be very few panel gaps, all right? And it's going to be very consistent. Next is painting workshop. Total workshop area 79,500 square meters. The third process of vehicle manufacturing, the whole body of Onvo L60 is more beautiful with a brightly colored coat here, while preventing oxidation and protecting the body. The world's first intelligent Magic Cube vehicle access platform, as flexible as a claw machine. Replace the plain inventory with 3-dimensional inventory. Reduce the civil construction area of 7,000 meters and shorten the process distance by 20%. There are a total of 753 warehouses to achieve large-scale vehicle storage and efficient transit, and reduce production pauses. What color L60 do users need? You can grab the library as flexibly as a doll grabbing machine. Wow. After personalized spraying, waste solvent recovery system points stone into gold. The first floor is a manual operation area, and the second floor is a high cleanliness spraying area, which is automatically adjusted by different models of the same color, which can realize the centralized spraying of 20 models of the same color. Automatically collect the waste solvent generated in the spraying process and reuse it through the membrane separation technology. Wow. Each painted Onvo L60 can reduce waste solvent treatment by 75% and reduce 1.8 kilograms of carbon dioxide emissions. It is not only green and environmental friendly, but also reduces the color quality deviation to achieve a balance between personalized spraying and batch spraying. Next is the general assembly workshop. Total area of the workshop 145,000 square meters. The last process of vehicle manufacturing, the power system, chassis, battery pack, interior, and electrical systems are installed on the car body, and the complete Onvo L60 is born here. The world's first enclave intelligent assembly island. Plan the tailgate, instrument, front and rear windshields to move autonomously according to the set route in a centralized assembly area, and realize the automatic avoidance of obstacles. The assembly accuracy is controlled within 0.5 millimeters, reaching the world's top level to achieve 100% automatic assembly and intelligent size matching. So it's robots carrying these cars around, assembly, going to different places with different robots to assemble different parts, and then going to another station to assemble another part. Intelligent battery pack assembly and tightening system. The battery pack of the Onvo L60 not only supports automatic power swapping, it can also be 100% automatic assembled. The battery is automatically launched, the body is automatically straightened, and the battery is automatically lifted and tightened to reduce the high voltage risk of manual operation. Combine and tighten the battery pack in the same station to improve efficiency and save space. 10 sets of tightening shafts are synchronized, and the bicycle assembly only takes 51 seconds to accurately locate the battery pack and the body to ensure 100% matching. Don't worry about Onvo L60 having to go through more than 5,000 quality inspection processes before it is delivered to users. So here is quality control. The first goal is to adopt an intelligent and unmanned quality inspection process to improve user satisfaction. From stamping and final assembly, more than 70 quality stations, more than 40 line body detection items, including regulation, function, appearance, functional testing, etc. 21 categories, 132 items, more than 5,000 testing process. Every new car must go through hard work before it can be delivered to users. There's rain detection line of 1.2 times the world's largest precipitation to see leakage. The rain intensity is 1.2 times the world's largest precipitation, ensuring that the Onvo L60 has excellent ceiling protection performance in natural rainfall environment. The industry's first anti-deflection LiDAR intelligent detection through nano-wave LiDAR ranging device, Q-plant system, self-research, PLC software algorithm. NIO second factor realizes automatic deviation detection through far more accurate judgment than manual. It ensures that every Onvo L60 can steadily maintain a straight line and improve the safety of high-speed driving. Wow, absolutely amazing. And then last but not least, the industry's first vehicle intelligent audio-visual detection system. Through automation and intelligence, the function detection of Onvo L60 vehicle speakers and microphones, and the 100% online detection of resonance, abnormal noises are realized, replacing the traditional method of relying on human ear detection and recognition. And self-diagnosis is achieved through the vehicle's own hardware and software, which solves a problem of difficult detection of some speakers and effectively improves accuracy of quality judgment. Industry-leading chassis 4K visual scanning AI detection. The automatic detection scheme is adopted, and the 4K camera is used to scan the vehicle chassis in high definition and full color, which can be called the X-ray film of the car chassis. The automatic inspection of the chassis is completed through AI analysis to ensure the factory Onvo L60 chassis is free of defects. Onvo L60 has a mature manufacturing process system, process equipment, and strict quality verification standards. NIO standards produced by Onvo must be a boutique car. Onvo L60 will focus on family cars. It will set a new benchmark for the quality of family smart electric SUVs. The use of AI in this car is absolutely insane. The use of robots, absolutely insane. And you can tell this is going to be high quality product. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.